Anderson Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. This belt, I know I always talk about guys being prepared and having backups and whatnot. Goes to my Pressure Pro. It's got a little over 800 hours. You can see the muffler's seen better days and whatnot. But the belts ended up going. I went on to Amazon, said that they would be shipped Thursday and be here on Friday, so I went ahead and ordered them. Then I checked it and said, oh, they'll be here Tuesday. Great, that's not going to do it. So, anyways, I called Russ. He was able to get me the replacement belt. It's a badass belt. The other ones that were on there were just 4 single ones. We'll put this one on here. But, guys, I ended up having to pay. It was going to be $70 in shipping to get this part. I really don't even know how much the belt cost. It was probably $50, $60, something like that. So I went ahead and just said, go ahead and throw in some unloaders or some other crap, so I'm not paying quite as much for the shipping for just one single item. But the key thing here, guys, again, I want to point out, it cost me extra money to get this here in time for this job. We got a big commercial job on Monday, but it's absolutely worth it, and I don't fault any vendor for charging me what he had to charge me. I know that he isn't ripping me off. It costs a lot to get it here on Saturday before 1 o'clock or whatever. I didn't really care just as long as it was here on Saturday, but and it's hard to know, especially with these belts, until you have a bunch of belt drive machines, or if you got a whole bunch of equipment, that is something that you're very unlikely to probably stock. But the ones that are coming from Amazon, we'll put those in a plastic bag and store them, and hopefully we'll never need it again, because again, this thing, as Russ said, will grab anything. It's a monster. I mean, this is no joke. So we'll be making a video as I put this back on, put this together again. So hope that helps, guys. Anyways, have a great day, and again, always be prepared, and that's why we went ahead and had him send these unloaders, because this is another vital part that can go bad. And this is a no joke 8-gallon unloader. I mean, just looks badass. So, have a great night.